Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop, and today I'm going to be making a tool for under the power hammer. I'm going to be making a donut basically, and that is so that way I can set it onto the bottom die of the hammer and then punch it through, and it'll be a little bit of thickness with a hole in it that the stick out can go into. So I'm going to do that by taking this, punching a hole through it on the power hammer, and then coming over here and using the sludge hammers and just driving this drift right through it. Let's throw this in the forge and let's get to it. So for the piece is heated up, I'm going to bring it over, set it on the die. I'm just going to come in and start punching it in. I'm going to try and punch about halfway through, flip it around, punch the rest of the way through without hitting on the dies. So I'm going to heat this up again, I'm going to bring over the striking anvil, I'm going to set my drift in it and just drift it into a fairly large hole. Thank you guys so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. So the point of this tool is more just kind of to act as like a Pritchard hole or Hardy hole on an anvil. So I can use it under the power hammer, just so that way when I'm putting things through it, it doesn't hit the dies or bottom out, damaging them at all. I'm definitely looking forward to using this with hammers and axes and stuff like that, or just punching holes in general. I'm hoping to try and get a clip of me actually using it after this, just so you guys can see how it's used. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, drop a comment down below, and give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you for watching, we'll see you in the next one, folks.